this video, let's talk about the recommended wheel spacer size for the Tesla Model S. Let's go! For Tesla Model X wheel spacers, make sure your wheels and tires have enough space so that nothing rubs up against the fenders, brakes, or other suspension parts. The perfect size of Tesla Model X wheel spacers may differ per version. For example, the recommended spacer size for a 2020 Tesla Model X is front 15mm and the rear 20mm. In other words, these spacers provide a perfect flush stance. If you install aftermarket wheels, things can be different. The Tesla Model X wheel spacers are standard components for fixing the wrong offset issues. By correcting the offset, spacers improve driving safety. Giving an example, 1-inch wheel spacers will add about -25.4mm wheel offset. For those who have a limited budget, installing Tesla Model X wheel spacers to fit the wheels will be a good idea. If you add high offset wheels or wide body kit, then there is a pretty high chance you need to bolt on Tesla Model X wheel spacers. Bolt-on spacers are available in large size from 50mm up to 75mm. They are fastened by 2 sets of wheel nuts. That is why those Tesla Model X wheel spacers are considered to be safer. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Tesla Model X wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Tesla Model X wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and a full more than 66 SGSTV test report. All BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spacer package come complete with all necessary hardware, including new ISO grade 10 wheel nuts or ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud to fit your vehicle. All BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Tesla Model X wheel spacers provide high surface integrity and ensure a smooth installing experience. The precision of BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spacers have reached 0.02mm. After hot anodizing, the corrosion resistance of this BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spacers is greatly enhanced. In this way, you can also choose to customize the pattern you like, and we will have it painting on the custom Tesla Model X wheel spacers you want. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers for your Tesla Model S, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.